Happy Friday, guys. All right, so I am starting my second wallpaper project. This is the paper that's going to be going into our master bedroom, and it's from a great company called Levette's, and I've tagged here so you can check it out. They have a lot of really cool modern peel and stick wallpaper, and I've learned a couple lessons from our first attempt, and I'm going to share those with you and walk you through the process of installing this in the master bedroom. So I'm working with 19-inch wide panels, and instead of lining the panel up against the wall here, I've created and you can't really see it because it's super light, but I've created a plumb line about 18 inches out from the wall. So this is going to allow me to have a perfectly straight line, not rely on the walls being straight or level or plumb. And I'm going to start my paper right here against this line and then bring it back and have a little bit extra of an inch to just trim on the corner. And then that's going to be panel one. We'll then start the whole process. Ooh, that's really close. Moving that way. And all you need to use is a trusty level, and you create your perfectly plumb and straight line a few inches out from the corner that you're going to start your wallpaper. All right, so here we are. We've got the first panel up. You can see a little bit of overlap happening right here in the corner. So this is where we're going to cut off this extra piece. And then the paper backing just gets pulled off the back of the wallpaper. You want to work in small sections and then just flatten the paper out as you pull down, and then flatten the paper out as you go. And it's really that easy. All right, so the key to edging is you want to kind of lift the paper up, and you want to really tuck it into the corner with a simple like white plastic trowel, because that's going to allow you, when you use the razor, to cut a very nice straight edge. So again, you're just kind of lifting the paper, and then you're tucking that paper really nice and tight into the corner. Now that you've got your paper nice and tucked in there, again, you use the trowel to protect the wallpaper and your razor to just do a nice straight cut down the wall. And don't be afraid to really push it in there. You can be a little aggressive with it because it'll give you a very nice cut. So we are now lining up the pattern from one panel to the next. And the best way to do this is to just pull down a small section, and you want to start on this side and line the pattern up, and then push over like this. Get your pattern, get your line perfectly lined up, get that down and secure, and then bring your cloth over to secure the rest of the piece. We are making our way across the wall. We're almost over halfway done. Well, we're over halfway done for sure. We have a couple more panels to put up, but this product, this peel and stick wallpaper product specifically, has been so easy to work with. The 19-inch panels are fantastic, small, manageable. It goes on beautifully, and it's just a really nice finish, texture. It's not like sticky. It's a really beautiful product to work with, and it's turning out great. We've reached the final little area of this wall, and as you can see, it's quite smaller. So we have 19-inch panels, and we're going to cut the panel before we put it up on the wall because we don't want to be working with a ton of existing paper. So we're going to cut the panel to fit and then overlap slightly on this side. It'll just be a lot easier to work with. So this is the last little part right here. And you can see we've met the corner and we have a little overlap So it's really easy to just go through with your trowel and your razor and cut off the excess. So it would be a lot more difficult if you were working with like a ton more paper over on this side. So it's nice to just be sure you cut the panel down a little bit if you get into this situation. And just like that, we're done. An entire wall, 9-foot ceilings, and about, I don't know how many feet long the wall was, but it took about an hour and a half to start to finish the whole thing. And I am loving it. Kind of goes with my whole black and white themed wallpaper for the rest of the apartment. Yay.